Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an epic showdown between two dash cams that are ready to capture all the action on the road. On the left side, we have the Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2, and on the right side, we have the ARIFAYZ Dash Cam Wi-Fi FHD 1080p car camera. Let the battle begin. Let's kick things off with the price. The Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 comes in at $129, while the ARIFAYZ Dash Cam Wi-Fi FHD 1080p car camera is a steal at just $59. That's quite a price difference. If you're on a budget, the ARIFAYZ Dash Cam might be the way to go. Now let's talk about video quality. The Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 boasts a wide 140-degree lens and records in 1080p with Garmin Clarity HDR optics. This means you'll get crisp and clear footage day or night. On the other hand, the ARIFAYZ Dash Cam Wi-Fi FHD 1080p car camera also records in 1080p with a 150-degree wide-angle lens and advanced GC-CMOS technology. Both cameras capture important details, but the ARIFAYZ Dash Cam offers a slightly wider field of view. It's time to dive into the additional features. The Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 comes with voice control, allowing you to save videos, start-stop audio recording, and even take still pictures with a simple command. It also has a parking guard feature that monitors activity around your parked vehicle and alerts you if an incident is detected. Plus, you can access the camera remotely for live view monitoring when you're away from your car. On the other hand, the ARIFAYZ Dash Cam Wi-Fi FHD 1080p car camera comes with built-in 2.4G Wi-Fi and an app that allows you to live stream, download videos, and easily share your footage on social media. It also has a 24-hour parking mode for added protection. Let's talk about durability. The Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 is built to withstand harsh vehicle environments, including direct sunlight and hot temperatures. Its durable design ensures it can handle any road trip. Similarly, the ARIFAYZ Dash Cam Wi-Fi FHD 1080p car camera is made of high-quality materials and can withstand temperatures from -4 to 167. So no matter where your journey takes you, both cameras are up for the challenge. Based on online reviews, the Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 is praised for its compact size, durability, ease of use, and high-quality recording features. Reviewers mention that it is non-obtrusive and offers crisp and clear footage. However, some reviewers mention issues with the bright red indicator light, causing glare at night and difficulties setting up wireless Apple CarPlay. On the other hand, the ARIFAYZ Dash Cam Wi-Fi FHD 1080p car camera receives positive reviews for its small size, intuitive design, affordable price, and good video quality. Reviewers highlight the thorough instruction manual, user-friendly app, and excellent customer service. Overall, both cameras have their strengths and weaknesses, so it's important to consider your specific needs before making a decision. And that's a wrap, folks. We've compared the Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 and the ARIFAYZ Dash Cam Wi-Fi FHD 1080p car camera. It's up to you to decide which one suits your needs and budget. Remember, always do your research before making a purchase. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Thanks for watching Buy Smart, and we'll see you next time.